Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And as you know that we are covering our AI agents and voice agents at a go high level. So there is an automation for those missed calls. For example, that if somebody calls on our company's number and our bot missed the call, maybe due to some internet connection or any other reason. So what we can do, we are going to cover that part in this video, where we are going to create an automation that actually makes a repetition call to that client, or otherwise it will send an internal notification to our team so that we can't miss any type of lead. So let's move towards go high level screen and let me show you that how we are going to create that automation. Okay guys, so currently we are inside Go High Level, but before starting I want to tell you one thing, that this kind of workflow will only work if you have your contact details inside Go High Level. Okay, means this workflow will only work if you have your customer information or lead information inside Go High Level. Okay, so let's start with the triggers, that is customer replied. Maybe you are aware of this. Okay, this one. Okay, so inside this we need to add some filters so that it can work for calls. First of all, let me tell you that there is a trigger name as reply channel, and I will set this to call. Okay, so this means that whoever replied us via call, so it can be include like a missed call, it can be include like a complete call. Okay, so these type of things are added here, and inside here what you can do is that you can track the call seconds, means the duration of the call, for which you can add your conditions. Okay, and if your call is completed you can add update opportunity, like this. Here you can see, uh, let me write opportunity. So what will happen is that you can create multiple type of things or multiple type of actions using this type of trigger. Other than that, what you can do is that there is a trigger name as call details. Okay, you will simply go inside it, you can add a filter. Okay, first of all, you can put the direction, that whether it is outbound or inbound, but majorly it relates to inbound calls. So first of all we will set it to incoming, and after that you need to select the call status. Okay, so there are multiple types of call status and you can use any one of them, like busy, cancelled, completed, no answer. So this means that somebody calls us and our number is busy, maybe due to some weather conditions, or other than that, the call has been cancelled, or the call means the customer has been successfully connected with the bot and they communicate successfully, or no answer or voicemail, like this. Okay, so for now, for the conditions like busy, cancelled, no answer, we are simply setting this right now, and after that you can add and send SMS for your customers. Okay, because this workflow will only trigger if your customers calls you, and this workflow will only keep the record of your customers who called us. Okay, so here I am using this send SMS. So you can select a template, but currently I haven't created, means I don't want to send a template because it is just an example. And here you can see hello, sorry for your call that you have missed. Okay, and below that you can write, hope you're doing well and what kind of work you want, or things like that. Okay, so this is just an example for you guys so that you can work. Other than that, if I move furthermore to tell you what you guys can do using this action, and that is, again, I'm using call details. Okay, and but now I'm selecting some option that is actually helpful for us. Okay, okay, and this one, and then call status, and now call status should be completed, because other busy, cancelled, and no answer are related to that our call has not been completed and it has been disconnected due to some problem. But now the call has been completed and our customer has been with us for some time, or with the bot for some time. So we need to add some actions here, like you can say update opportunity or like that thing. Okay, and I'm just selecting this, but you can add more details here as well. Okay, Okay, let's choose this inside pipeline, contacted, other actions. Okay, and with that you can also add the duration. Okay, because if somebody is interested in your business, he definitely cross the minutes. Means the duration of the call, which is in minutes, he definitely avail 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, but if somebody is not interested, he will put off the call after 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so we need to aware of that as well. So that for that we are going to add some condition, and that condition will help us to track, you can say, the call details. For that we need to, okay, trigger link. And okay, so you can choose from here as well that how many seconds, or how many seconds a person is on call. Okay, so this is all. Okay, well, guys, here we were that if the incoming call is completed, then what should we do? Is that we need to track the calls, okay? That how much long duration of the call is. So for that, we need to add a condition, which is simply if then else condition, okay? And here, what we're going to do is that we need to select this phone. So from here, we are going to select is that contact details, and inside contact details, you have to move inside phone, and after that the phone is, and here you will simply put in 60. Okay, so what this workflow is do is that if the call has been successfully completed, then it will check the duration of the call, and if the phone call is 60, then we can inform or we can update its opportunity, you can say pipeline, and also we can add the tag that this is our golden client. Okay, so you can add such type of tags as well. So this is all from my side for today on the call durations, or you can say on the call automations. Let's you see you in our next video. Until that, thank you, bye bye, take care.